Hello and welcome back to Dave's TR4A. Today I'm posting a short video to show how I upgraded my USB charge port from a USB-A to USB-C in my TR4A. Okay, so you're asking, why is he showing me the bottom of his glove compartment? It's because of this. My phone that I was using up until a few days ago used a regular conventional USB charge cord. And so I put this connector in here and underneath the glove compartment, and it's hooked into the switch 12 volts. So it's only on when the key's on, and I can use this to keep my phone charged. Well, we just upgraded our phones, and it takes a USB-C connector. So I got this guy. I'm hoping it fits in the same bracket as that one. But it's got a conventional USB connector on the bottom, and then it's got a USB-C on the top. It's also got a little digital voltmeter on the in the middle here. I don't really need that. I got a voltmeter in the car already. But anyway, I'm hoping it'll fit in the same damn bracket. So we'll see. Okay, so this. As you can see, this one unscrews. It's held on with this little bracket. So I'm just going to cut these wires and then just splice the other ones into it from this other connect. It comes with a little pigtail that I can use to hook those together. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut these first. Okay, so I have this is my old connector. It's got the USB receptacle and a little power plug here. And these are the two wires coming from, this is switch 12 volts, the green wire. And then this is ground, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and cut those with my crappy cutters here. Okay, so here's my new plug. I had to slice the bottom to get it to fit in there, but it fits in the same bracket, which is awesome. So I just need to connect plus to plus, ground to ground. Okay, now if I turn on the key, I think at least the oh, there we go. See the voltmeter? So that's my battery voltage, I guess. Pretty cool. Just have to bolt it up and I'll be all ready to go. So that goes back up here like this. Put a nut on here. Okay, so I got the right wrench here. Oh. So I bought this at Amazon. I think it was around, I don't know, it was less than $20. So now I can still charge the charger or batteries, camera batteries, and I can also do the USB-C for my phone. So let me go turn this. Where's my... So let's see how this is going to be. So there's my... It's gives the battery voltage. So that's cool. Okay, so now at least I can use my GPS and listen to music without running the battery down. So I guess that's it for now. Stay tuned. That's it for now. Please like and subscribe.